My name is Harrison, and I'll be talking about how to host a Zoom meeting from your desktop computer. First, you'll want to create a Zoom account at zoom.com. Once you have that, be sure to download the desktop app to your desktop. Notice that mine is pinned here on my taskbar. When you first log in, this will be the screen that you see. From here, you're able to create a new meeting simply by clicking this orange camera icon for New Meeting. When you click it, it'll automatically create a number for people to call in. If you'd like, you can also use the invitation URL that's been copied to your clipboard and include it in an email to someone. Or, even easier, you can click the invite button to add people to invite from email, by contacts, by Zoom rooms, or by phone. When you've finished your meeting, click End Meeting for all and rate your experience. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more about Zoom meetings or other Meeting Tomorrow services, check out the links in the video description. We specialize in producing both live and virtual events around the country and are here to help.